Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our last lecture, we have discussed about intelligent agents, their environment, then rational agent with real life examples. I have mentioned a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss future and applications of AI. Let's start the session. Now, you know that artificial intelligence used in each and every organization, each and every sectors, right? Like AI used in education, space exploration, gaming, robotics, agricultural field, e-commerce sector, then again healthcare, automobile, finance sector, social media, entertainment. So basically in each and every sectors, each and every organization, AI is there, right? In AI, all machines can perform a task like a human intelligence. They perform the operations like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and understanding the language. That's why AI is everywhere. Now let's understand majorly 8 applications with examples. Now firstly, AI majorly used in healthcare sector. They helps doctor to analyze more accurately. AI helps to doctor for disease diagnosis, medical image analysis, drug discovery, personalized treatment plan for particular patient, then robotic surgery and also virtual health assistant app. So they try to finalize diagnosis in more accurate manner. Let's understand with example. Suppose hospital use AI system to analyze X-ray and MRI scan. So AI detect is there any early stage lung cancer, and also they highlight suspicious area for doctors. So doctor assign treatment accordingly. So basically AI allow in healthcare sector for faster and more accurate diagnosis. The second application is in the education sector. Like we all are using AI for our study purpose, right? So basically, AI system provide intelligent tutoring system, also automatic grading, personalized learning as per the interest. Then AI chatbots are there. They provide the student support for giving questions and their answers, also language translations and online assessment. So in education, for each and every work purpose, AI is there. For example, student learning programming by using AI tutor. So they based on previous test score, AI recommended some additional practice question, loops or functions related, right? So basically AI analyze the previous data and predict some future data which are related or useful for the students. Now again, AI specifically majorly used in banking and finance sector, like for fraud detection purpose, loan approval, credit scoring, investment recommendation, customer support chatbot. They are solving customer issues, right? Then again for risk analysis purpose. So again in banking sector, AI is most useful. They try to reduce the human work. For example, if someone student use your credit card in another country, so AI detect the unusual transaction and temporarily block the card and also prevent the fraud. So they provide more security, authentication also. So that is best one in banking and finance sector. Next one is e-commerce application. Like we all are familiar with this. We are using Flipkart, Amazon, then Mintra. So these all applications are integrated with AI, right? So basically, in online shopping website, AI is used for product recommendation purpose, personalized advertisement, customer support, inventory management, and dynamic pricing purpose. For example, Amazon recommended the product based on your previous purchase and browsing history, right? Whatever you are searching on Amazon and Flipkart, so they are giving the suggestion for the same items, right? So this is called as analysis. They analyze your search history, they analyze the user's pattern, and according to that gives the suggestions. Now Again, AI majorly used in agricultural sector, which is most helpful for farmers. So AI is used for improve crop monitoring system, disease detection, smart irrigation, weather prediction purpose, then pest detection, yield prediction. So for basic agricultural functionality purpose, AI have used. For example, AI powered drone scan to identify areas affected by the pest for the crop and before the damage spread. So they help the farmer to analyze the conditions of plant. Again, next one, cyber security. Again, we all are familiar with this. AI protect our computer system from malware detection, spam filtering, then intrusion detection, network monitoring, identity verification. So AI protect our system for any attack, any malware or from any virus. For example, Gmail use AI system to identify phishing emails and automatically move them to the spam folder, right? So again, it is the best one in cybersecurity to minimize the hacking and to minimize the attack, to minimize the fraud. Now, again, AI majorly used in entertainment. For example, AI improve user experience on Netflix, Hotstar. On this application, they recommended movie and music as per users' watch history. Then again, video editing and content creation purpose. So again, it is majorly used in entertainment. Now, next one, smart home appliances. See, in our home, majorly all the appliances nowadays integrated with AI, right? For example, voice assistant, smart lighting, smart washing machine, security cameras, right? So these all applications are integrated with AI. For example, Amazon Alexa, they turns on the light, play music, control home appliances using voice commands, right? So this all nowadays all trending app is integrated with AI. Now, what is the future of AI? So I think you all are familiar with this thing. See here. Suppose, for example, in healthcare industry, currently AI detect the disease by using X-ray. But in future, AI predict the disease before symptoms appear and also provide personalized treatment plan. In education sector, we are using ChatGPT to help student answers question. But in future, AI creates fully personalized learning path and AI actually teach the students. Next one is transportation, like Google Maps suggests the fastest route. But in future, fully autonomous cars and AI manage the traffic system. In agricultural sector, AI use drones to monitor the crop health for scanning purpose. But in future, AI controlled robot automatically plant, water the crops and also harvest the crop. So all these things are done by the robot itself. And last one in banking. Nowadays AI detect the fraud transactions. But in future AI predict the financial risk, offer fully personalized financial planning. So this is the future of AI. They are providing more advanced functionalities to the users. So this is all about. Thank you and stay tuned for my next video.